Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever real life YouTube video. This is so freaking crazy. What I'm gonna be doing is a makeup tutorial because a lot of you guys on my TikTok always ask me to do a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's just like get into doing my makeup. Okay. So, I already have mascara on because this is my makeup that I wore to school. I have my eyebrows done. My makeup tutorial, I don't think you should follow it because I'm not that good at makeup. But I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin Finish. Looks like this. And I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and anywhere else that I want my face to be concealed. Literally, all of the makeup that I use is like drugstore makeup. So, if you are looking to look hot on a budget, I'm not saying that like I look hot necessarily. If you want to look good on a budget, then like you could follow my makeup tutorial. And you're just gonna put it underneath your eye like said. I have really bad like dark under eye, especially in the effing morning. Sometimes in the morning I'm like I'll look really good, and then some days I'll look actually hideous and I'm like, what is going on? Okay, so I got this beauty blender. I literally have to stop changing the subject, but I got this beauty blender and it's disgusting. Like, it's like furry. Is it supposed to be like that? Because this one feels like a normal sponge and this one, it's like fucking furry. I don't know, comment down below because I'm not using it. It's gross. But yeah, so after you're done, should I put this on? Do you think I'll look cute? Oh my god, wait, I forgot to tell you guys. Normally, if I didn't, oh my god, get this shit off. If I didn't have, oh my god, I look so stupid. So after you're done doing that, what you want to do, take whatever sort of bronzer you like, take a brush, and this is a brush that I got literally in like 3rd grade from like a Claire's makeup set, but it works like a charm. See when you make that face and you see like your line, like a line like this kind of, you want to like do it like above that line, I think. I also have like a dent in my head. I don't know why. I have like a dent in my, all right, whatever, shut up. But yeah, you just want to like blend some like whatever this is called out in that area, and it should look pretty good, I think. Should I get a nose job? Should I get like a jawline job too? Because everything is wrong with me, isn't it? Okay, so after you do that, you're going to take, what are you gonna take? You're gonna take blush. Okay, so I have like an e.l.f. It's literally just called e.l.f. and it's like bronzer and blush. And I'm just gonna take another really trashy Claire's brush that's like even more trashy. And I'm just gonna dab it inside of, you know, the e.l.f. Kind of go like this. Make sure you smile. And so you get to the top of your cheek. I actually effing hate this blush. I don't know why I used it. So I'm gonna go over with actual fucking blush and we're gonna hope that this looks better. This is the Milk Makeup Blush. So yeah, just blend this out. I look like way different in person than I do on this camera, and it's throwing me off because I look really bad on the camera and really good in person. If you want to go for a more natural look, then I'm gonna do that right now because I think that's what I want to do. But some days I do go for more of a dramatic look. So I literally cannot stop breathing. Now that we have blush on our face, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get any sort of like makeup palette that you have, or I mean eyeshadow palette that you have that has like a black eyeshadow in it. So you're gonna take just eyeshadow and you're gonna put it on like a, what do you call this? Like a flat edged like eyeshadow brush, and you're just gonna make like a delicate sort of wing, you know, just kind of like, oh, calm down. Okay, this is falling over. I'm gonna look back at this while I'm editing and I'm gonna be like, Lena, why are you talking so much?
That is in fact what I'm doing, bitch. Stop talking. I'm watching The Office right now. And I don't want to edit this video, but I have to because I'm dedicated. So yeah.
Fucking this looks like shit. See that? See, we fixed it. We move on. I believe the side turns out really easily and it looks really good. So we're gonna just hope for the best. Oh, because I fucked it up already. That's great. Yeah, it always turns out so good. Shut the fuck up. Good. Mucho bueno, por favor. I did not take Spanish, I took French, so I don't know if that was right. It's coming together slowly but steady. We just fucking critique it as much as we can until it looks the way that we want, okay? Beauty is perfection. Wait, no, that's not the quote. Beauty is pain. Deep breaths, in and out, in and out. That's all you can fucking do. That's literally all you can do. Because what? What am I gonna do? Like fucking break my table because I can't get this stupid winged eyeliner? No, that's not what I'm gonna fucking do because I'm not a weirdo. I'm not gonna break my fucking table. I filmed this like 17 times because I kept getting like insecure about how I looked and I was like, ew, cannot post this. Okay, looks good. So now that you got your perfect wing eyeliner, it only took like 17 fucking tries. We're gonna take a nice nude palette and you're just gonna take whatever colors you think fits with your face. I can't tell you what color to use because I don't know if that's the right color for your particular eye. This is like where creativity comes in. Like you don't need to follow step for step all the time on every makeup tutorial because at the end of the day, other people's makeup routines might not be your makeup routine, and that's okay because that's what makes everyone in this world different, okay? So I'm gonna be taking my trusty mascara and we're just going to put it over our eyelids our eyelashes. Instead, we are going to be taking the Milk Makeup Highlighter and it looks like this. And you're just gonna put it on the tip of your nose and you're just gonna put like right down here and then on top of here. Oh my god, this is like my favorite part. It just wraps that bitch together and you just put it on like the chin too. So for lips, we're just gonna take like a pinky kind of lip gloss and we're just gonna use that. So yeah, that was pretty much it for my makeup tutorial.